Screwbro.
Asking of people, hey, do you know someone who died in 9/11? Do you know someone affected by Sandy Hook? Someone
Really?
We know someone. So
Tell you a turd.
I actually.
Hell was gonna get along.
See, we're nice. We give everybody a fair shot.
I mean,
Extra regret. Hey, was that? I don't know if that was red light run or not. I'll double check. No stop. There's a stop sign there. I guess it's pointless, but it's still there. You know, you gotta follow these things. Sorry, you're in the video.
And came to the conclusion, aha, this must also be this.
Left turn regret. Ah, boy.
Has ever had money or shown any entrepreneurial talent. Despite all that,
No stop.
Luca's natural curiosity.
Fuck, there's cars coming. You're really gonna go for it? Really?
Some additional things that we're working on, okay, that will announce in August at a moment of effect for the football season.
I couldn't see her blinker. I couldn't tell where she was going.
None. But it's a different world. And these players like to...
Red light run, red light run, red light run. I wonder what the stripy lines are for. You should have moved over when you had a chance. Well, at least one truck kind of sort of did.
This therapist I found for you, she really helped me. You could be a better man for your brand new car.
Why are you stopping for him? Don't reward bad behavior. Make him wait his turn. Really? Shoot, fly. Go away. Be free. Don't hang out in here. Run, pedestrian, run! Get out of the way. Why?
Because I think it's for the same reason that keeps how much I spend on transit kind of compartmentalized into that one car.
Uh-oh, you gotta get to that right lane. Oh, and why are you merging left? There are all lanes merge ahead, ain't I don't know.
He's done it. He's pretty genius.
Yeah, this race.
But like, it's
You
weird
can go
to me that
now.
more people don't do this strategy because clearly it works. Asking for money, he's giving money away. Don't tell the televangelists. And I
No turn on red. School bus. I hope that got on camera. Exit dive up there. Yeah, where's a cop when you need him? Oh, look, what do you know? Another exit dive. Yep, there he goes. Frickin' Jeep.
Satan, why do you have to keep dropping new evil people?
Dude, this is like, I just am getting more.
Wait, what the hell are you... What was that? Really?
Glub, glub, glub. Because fuck everybody else as long as I get mines, right?
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
So, that's where they're going to put these demons, the satyr.
You gotta love
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
Oh, another miss. 42 and 48, 7 games out. The plus side is
No,
the
stop.
wild card teams at the All-Star
Soil
break in
tard.
Miami, Arizona.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. No stop. No stop. You didn't stop, Kia.
Services. That salon.
Oh dear. Where's your body? You always travel in pairs. Where are you? I don't know.
Those things hold true in other communities. So, yeah, for whatever their prohibition is. This is the problem.
Really?
Jonathan says in the last 30 years, every Met manager who left for whatever reason never managed again except Bobby B. It just seems like Mets managers is a career-ending job for those who get it, and it's likely that streak continues whenever Buck is leaving the studios. Well, listen. Buck's age has to be taken into account. Buck has been a manager for a very long time. He's not a young man. So the fact that this would be his last stop, I think, was pretty much a foregone conclusion when he took the job. Question is,
Right turn lane dive.
Buck winding up his
No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time, because we are in a construction zone. There's no trailers allowed in the left lane. There are signs everywhere that say that. No trailers in the left lane. No. You moved over. You're okay now, but before you weren't. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You're in the video, and oh, look, you're about to pass a sign that says that. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! No trucks, buses, trailers, left lane. Yeah, you got it. Well, this is the end of the video, and I already said that shit. Well, all right. See you guys next video. Okay, bye!